beyond the snowy skies, where icy mountains proudly rise, stands a kingdom bright and fair, filled with crystal light everywhere. Snowflakes sparkle, rivers sing, every laugh makes echoes ring. Polar bears and penguins play, welcoming a brand new day. Children skate on glowing ice, everything feels warm and nice. The morning soft and slow, the crystal lights stop their glow. Oh no, the crystal heart is gone from here. Without its light the snow will fade, the kingdom's magic can't be saved. Find the crystal heart today, bravery will light the way. Hand in hand we'll never part, together we'll restore the heart. Shine so bright, don't be afraid, hope is stronger than the shade. Every step and every smile brings us closer mile by mile. Across the frozen bridge they ran, following an ancient map in hand. Past blue glaciers, shining caves, over snowy crystal waves. Friendly seals showed secret trails, wise old owls told icy tales. A baby fox with crystal fur led them where the winds would stir. They climbed the tallest snowy hill, keeping hearts both brave and still. Then a tiny glowing sprite filled the sky with silver light. Only friends with hearts so true can unlock the crystal's blue. Everyone joined hands as one, the greatest venture had begun. Kindness, courage, love and cheer made the hidden pathway clear. Lifted high the crystal heart, let its magic brightly start. Every mountain, tree and stream glow just like a happy dream. Snowflakes dance across the sky, northern lights went soaring high. Penguins cheered and dragons flew, painting skies with sparkling blue. Every child began to sing, joy returned to everything. If we help and if we care, magic's waiting everywhere. Hearts that shine with love each day, keep the darkness far away. Together strong, together bright, we can fill the world with light. The kingdom smiled, the stars all gleamed, just like every child had dreamed. The crystal heart forever.